What's up guys, this is Mandeep Burmi in Edmonton, Alberta. We are in Edmonton downtown area today, and we are going to turn right at the traffic lights here. So I got my right blinker on, and so we are good to go now. So we got a green light, and I'm checking pedestrian cyclists coming from the right side there. So it was empty, so that means we are good to go. So now we're gonna go straight here, and the speed limit here is maximum 50 kilometers. From the next traffic light here, we are turning right. So far we got a red light, and I'm slowing down. I'm going to put my right signal on. So your signal should be on about 30 meters before the intersection you want to turn on. If your signal is too late, too soon, missing signal, wrong signal, so that's gonna be all deduction in your driving test. If you're in Alberta looking for driving lessons, you're going for your basic road test, advanced road test, give me a call guys, I can help you with that. So on this intersection we don't see any prohibited sign indicating that you can't turn right at a traffic light, but I will just wait for the green light here, and ready go. And now I'm checking pedestrians. You can see there are pedestrians, but doesn't look like they want to cross, so we are good to go. So now we're gonna change lanes. So I'm checking my mirror, side mirror, signal, mirror check again, shoulder check, moving over. So you wanna, for your lane change, you wanna check your mirror and make sure you guys do shoulder check. A lot of time people, they only check their mirrors, they don't do shoulder checks, and they lose points in the driving test. Because if you don't shoulder check, like, you don't know if there's, you know, somebody in your blind spot or not, because your mirrors, they don't show you your blind spot. So shoulder check is must. Anytime when you're, you know, moving more than 3 feet to the left, to the right, you have to shoulder check. All right, so we're gonna be going straight from this intersection here. Again, we are doing about 50 kilometers right now. I'm going to change lane now. So I'm gonna check my mirror, signal, mirror check again, shoulder check, and then I move over to the left side. We got a green light, so we are good to go. And on the next, not on this intersection, but the one after that, we will turn left. So this one we have a green light. I got both hands on the steering, and now we're gonna go left here. So signal, shoulder check, and then I move to the left lane. Now the light is red, so I'm slowing down, looking for a stop line. I'm gonna stop before the stop line. The front bumper of your car, it should not go over the stop line. If you're going over the stop line, that's going to be a deduction in the driving test as well. So when the light turns green, then we might have to establish, because we are waiting for the other two cars to go first. And now we are good to go. And we are going on a two-way street as well. So I'm gonna find the center of the street, and then I go on the right hand side. Okay, so you just have to, like, imagine a yellow line in the middle of the road, and then you go on the right side of the yellow line. Now we see a parked car on the right hand side as well. Like, there are parked cars on the left, and we got parked cars on the right as well. So we're gonna signal left shoulder check, pull out. Now we have a stop sign, we are turning right shoulder check, pulling back to the right side, and I'm doing a full stop before the sidewalk here. Now this stop sign, it's doesn't say 4-way or 3-way, so it's a 2-way stop sign. We have a stop sign, there's stop sign on the other side of the intersection, so that means that cross traffic does not stop. So what I'm gonna do is I roll forward, checking traffic coming from the left hand side, checking pedestrians on the right, and now we are good to go. When you're turning, you want to keep your turns nice and tight, within 3 feet to the curb. If your turns are too wide, that's gonna be a deduction in the test as well. So crosswalk here, checking on both sides, looks clear, so we are good to go. We're gonna be turning right next. So I'm going to signal right, I'm going to do right shoulder check, going in the right lane. Light is red, so that means we have to come to a complete stop here. So same thing here, we don't see any sign, you know, indicating that you can't turn right at it on a red light. Like, first you always have to come to a complete stop. Okay, if you're going to be turning right on a red light, first you have to come to a complete stop. Look for that prohibited sign. If you don't see any sign, then you check pedestrians, you check traffic. If everything is clear, that's when you go. So let's actually go. So we're gonna check pedestrians, no traffic coming from the left side, so that means we are good to go. And you want to go in your first lane first. Now we see parked car, signal, shoulder check, and then we change lane to the left side. On the next traffic lights, we're gonna be turning left. So when you're about 30 meters before the intersection, that's when you put the signal on. So I'm going to signal left. I'm slowing down a little bit. I'm gonna maintain distance. When you stop behind a car, you should be able to see the back tires on the ground. So now we have got a green arrow. So that means we are getting the priority.